Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a video to help you work a problem. And you can pause the video and read through what's up here to help you. First, I'm going to start by writing my problem down so that I can work it as I watch the video. And then I'm going to start the video. Is to find the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and the y-intercept algebraically from a quadratic function in standard form. So we have the quadratic function f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. Our a is a coefficient of the x squared, and in this case is a positive 1. Our b is a coefficient of the x, and in this case is a negative 2. And our c is the constant, which in this case is a negative 3. Find the axis of symmetry. Remember, that's the same as the x-coordinate of the vertex. And we find both of those using the equation negative b over 2a. So now let's find the axis of symmetry and the x-coordinate of the vertex using the function that is given in this problem. So we have the opposite of b, and we said our b was a negative 2, divided by 2 times a, and we said our a was 1. So that would give us the opposite of a negative 2 is a positive 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So my axis of symmetry is the vertical line, x equals 1. My vertex, so far I know has the x-coordinate of 1, and I have to find my y-coordinate. So to find the y-coordinate, I'm going to substitute. So I'm going to substitute my 1 that I found for x in the place of x, and then I'm going to solve for y. So I go back up to my function. It was y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. And now I'm going to replace x with the number 1. So y equals x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. And we said that the x-coordinate was 1. Doing that arithmetic, we find that 1 squared is 1, minus 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3 gives us a negative 4. So I know that the y-coordinate of my vertex is negative 4. So my vertex is 1, negative 4. To find my y-intercept, point where my graph crosses the y-axis, I know that my x-coordinate would be 0 because my y-intercept is the point 0 something. So I'll replace x with 0 and solve for y. So I'll go back to my equation again. Y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. And this time I remembered that there was a shortcut, so I'm fast forwarding to get to the shortcut. Negative 3. Notice I didn't actually have to do y-intercept turns out to be my c. So just remember. And my c was a negative 28, so that's my y-intercept. So now I have my vertex, I have my y-intercept. I know that my axis of symmetry is x equals the same number as the x of my vertex, so that's x equals 3. And the only thing I have left to do, pardon me, the only thing I have left to do is determine if my vertex is a minimum or maximum. And my vertex is a min because